next cheat code wala question. This question looks like a difficult question. Imagine this has come in your exam and looking at the options you are like पता नहीं ये क्या पूछ लिया है physiology में से, है ना? So yes, CPDA is superior to ACD for blood storage as. What is going to be the answer to this? What is going to be the answer to this one? Now they have given you in the question itself that CPDA ACD से superior है blood storage के लिए. So obviously what option do you rule out? Decreased release of oxygen नहीं करेगा. It is increasing the release of oxygen, and that is why it has to be superior. So logically thinking, a blood, right, hemoglobin which will give more oxygen to the tissues is going to be superior. So I have ruled out the first option, right? Ki this is not making sense and not correlating with what the question is saying. Next one, it has less P50, less acidic, and fall in 2,3 BPG is less. Now first of all, tell me that when I say it is less acidic, what shifts the oxygen dissociation curve to right? Acidosis or alkalosis? It is acidosis, right? Remember acidosis, D for dextro shift, alkalosis, L for left shift. And what releases more oxygen? Dextro matlab right, releases the oxygen, right? So again, if this has to make sense, it should not be less acidic, more acidic, so that the release is more. You want the blood to give more oxygen. So this is ruled out. Now coming to the concept of P50. P50 is the PO2 where the hemoglobin is 50% saturated. Where do you denote the PO2? On the x-axis. Saturation on the y-axis. So when it is 50% saturated, how much is the PO2? So look at the graph here that you have. So in this graph, this is 50% saturated. As the curve is shifting to right,